been raining all day. I need some rest. I wish everything would be better. I can't see anything. Where's my flashlight? Who are you?
I am Professor John, and I have a solution for you.
What solution?
I can make you a lamp. In fact, a lava lamp. Do you want to know what it's made from?
Yeah, sure.
First, it's made from vinegar, oil, a tablet of antacid, and finally, food coloring. You like that?
Kinda.
Kinda? You don't like it? You don't like it? Come here, boy. I'm just joking. Follow me.
Sure.
Come here, boy.
Bawat bata may tanong,
Ba't ganito? Ba't ganon?
hayaang buksan ang isipan.
Sa science o agha.
Come on, follow me. Welcome to my lab, and welcome to another show of Experiments with Professor John. And for today, I will show you how to make a lamp.
A lamp? What lamp?
A lamp to solve all your needs and your fear of darkness. Yes, that's right, darkness. And here are the ingredients needed for this experiment. And now that we've shown our ingredients, let's move to the experiment. Would you like that?
Yes, sure.
Okay, for this experiment, we will add food coloring. Two. And the second step, we will add the vinegar to the oil. Would you like to do it?
Yeah, sure. Oh,
Wow, it looks good, right?
yeah.
And we will let it sink to the bottom right now. And for the last step, we will add 3 drops of antacid. 3 tablets only, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's put it now. We will add it now, okay?
Alright.
1,
2.
and 3. Now let's watch the next step. Oh, it's cool, right?
Yeah. Super cool. Yeah, super cool.
Wanna see something cooler though?
Yeah, sure.
Watch this.
Whoa.
Hold this for blue. Whoa! It looks cool, right?
Yeah.
Whoa! Now that you have a lamp, get out of here! Go, go, go! Take it! Go, go, go!